Hello friends, happy Dashara to all of you. Welcome to Uptrending Shares. I am your host Anil Sharma. Friends, today we will see Nifty future in short term, when it will reverse, bond yield good or bad, blue chip results of small and mid caps. So friends, let us start with the first subject, that is the Nifty. Friends, Nifty has ended yesterday on 19282. You can see it here, 19282, but you see the candle actually is very large, and large candle actually shows that for 1 or 2 days the share market is still likely to fall. Share market will continue to fall till there is a big candle like this, or there is a small candle with gap up opening. Nevertheless, you have to wait for 2 days before you take a confirmatory call that the fall of Nifty is over. So we have seen here, this is a very large candle, it is indicating the further fall. Even if tomorrow the market opens in green, or tomorrow the Nifty is opens plus, till the end of the day is likely that candle will, the Nifty will fall because of this such a large candle. Friends, let us check, what is the condition of MACD and RSI. MACD, you see the divergence is 34.8 and the direction of MACD line is down. Similarly, friends, you can see RSI is 35.95 and still it is in the downtrend. Now, first thing that has to happen is that the blue line, this blue line has to be above the signal line, which is the pink line. That will give a signal that market actually is trying to go in the up direction, right? As you can see here, the market is going in the up direction. That is number one. Second is the large candle. Actually there has to be for minimum 2 days time, the candle actually should be white or green candle to see it, to conclude that market is going up. Friends, but we have, when nothing works, and supposing you are in a confusion, or the trader is in a confusion whether market will go up or down, when nothing works, only the moving averages work. So what we will do here is, we will just put a weekly average, this time frame, weekly time frame, and we will put also the moving average of 2. You can see I have clicked it here, right, moving average of 2, and I will update it, and you can see that whenever there is a confusion, one thing more we do is that instead of candlestick chart we put the closing price chart. Now whenever you find the blue line is above the red line in the weekly chart, it shows the market actually is going up, and this is a confirmatory test when there is a confusion. But if you are a skilled person, then everything is all right. So we have concluded that there is likely to be, Nifty is likely to go down till actually on the weekly chart the blue line is above the red line. This red line is moving average of 2 and the blue line is the Nifty chart, or you can say the Nifty line. Friends, from here we will go to see some very important fact why market is crashing. Okay, now here if you see the bond yield and interest rates, they are directly connected with each other, right? And if you really see the bond yield, I will rather show you here, it's very alarming. You can see it here. 2022 was the worst ever year for US bonds. And now how you should position your portfolio in 2023. What I wanted to tell you was that in 250 years of US economy, 2022 was the worst ever year, and this has also been documented in the month of January. Here you can see here, just let me see investors. Even if you go back 250 years, you can't find worse than 2022 for US bond market. So friends, this is actually, what has happened, and my worry is only that, supposing by chance, God forbid, if the bond yield goes over and above the interest rate, whole world market will crash like anything. Let us keep our fingers crossed and see that bond yield does not go over the interest rates. I would like to tell you here that at present the US interest rates are 5.5, followed closely by bond yield which is 4.9%. Now, I would not say this is close game. Still, the government will try and control. But all said and done, 2022 was the worst ever year in 250 years of US economic data. Friends, we should keep very keen eye on the bond yield, that it does not go over the interest rates. And the experts say this bond yield is going up because of Arab and Israel war. Friends, now let us check on some blue chip stocks. Let us check on small caps and mid caps which have given results like blue chip stocks. Nowadays blue chips are not giving good results. So let us first come down, friends, to one company. This company is Credit Access Grameen. It's a microfinance company, right? So if you see here, the sales from 671, the sales have gone to 1246, almost 100%. Operating profit from 434 or 435 has gone to 904%. Over 1 year's time it is 100%. And here also quarter to quarter also you see nice jump of 15 to 20%. Not only that, let us also check their operating margins, because margins are very important. Operating margins means almost equivalent to EBIT margin, from 64 or 65, 72, 73 to 72, not much difference. And the net profit margin from 23, it has gone to 27. And net profit margin quarter to quarter, there is a decline. Now friends, one thing is there. Yesterday, what has happened here, the results of Credit Access Grameen were declared on Monday, or I think on Sunday. And what has happened here? Share actually has shot up by 7.44% in that market, which collapsed. It touched 1560, which is its highest, right? So this is a wonderful small cap stocks. Present price is 1593. Let it fall down. The Nifty will fall down, as we have already discussed. Let it fall down nicely, and once on weekly chart and moving average of 2, it is in the up direction, you can catch the flight. Then is the new gen, friends. I have already spoken to you short while ago. I had made a video on this also. From 201 to 63, and sales from 223 to 263. So there is a quantum jump in the sales. Operating profit, just see the operating profit has almost doubled quarter to quarter, and also in the same way from September to September. So new gen software basically is a communication company which is in the defense sector. And when we see the operating margin of profit from 12 to say 19, 20, from 16 it has gone to 19. So this is just something which is very wonderful. And so is the case with the net profit margin. Friends, these kind of companies are rarely available now. I come to one more small cap company. This is Vital. Aventor also is in a defect. Fine. Now here you see from 30 year to year, from 36 crores it has gone to 54 crores. Although you know from quarter to quarter there is a decline, but sales, we gave only 5 marks for the sales. Most the things what we do is we see the operating profit margin as well as the gross profit margin. So we just check it here. Operating margin of profit from 47 from 30 it has gone to 47, and from 21 to 47. Is it not just wonderful? Net profit margin from 19 to 30 year to year, and say 13 to 30 quarter to quarter. I think this is just fantastic. This is absolutely fantastic companies which have given. See, the blue chip companies are not giving the results. Blue chip companies like results, but the small cap and mid, the whole story has shifted to small cap and mid caps. JWS Energy, let us see, the results were declared actually on I think Saturday last. Now sales actually from there is hardly any growth in the sales, but if you see the operating profit, 191 to 393 or 394, or say 192 to 394, 3 quarter to quarter, 348 to 391. I think it is splendid, just splendid. Let us check with their margins now. Operating profit margin has gone from 17 to 34, 100% year to year, and 24, 23 to 35. This is quarter to quarter. Similarly, the net profit has gone from 12 to 16%, almost 25%, and 11 to 16%. This is also roughly about you can say 50% plus. So friends, you know, my only point of telling you is one, that don't depend upon, you know, the blue chip companies, because the market actually has shifted already from blue chip companies to small cap and mid caps, because they are less expensive. Their PE ratio is really less. PE ratio less means PE means price to earning ratio is less. Therefore, the chances of earning money for a trader is more in the small caps. So friends, that is my story of the day, and once again I welcome you to Uptrending Shares. Please like, share and comment so that you get market updates as frequently as possible. Thank you very much for being with me. Do not buy these stocks which we have discussed today. Let the market fall. Check with the weekly average, check the uptrend on weekly charts with a moving average of 2. That will remove all confusions or misunderstandings regarding market. Friends, remember, we deal only in the uptrend. Thank you very much and have a nice day.